Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about nutrition. Plants make their own food with the sun's help. Animals, including humans, do not. Instead, they eat food, plants or other animals, to get what their bodies need to live and grow. Humans are heterotrophic. This means that we get our nutrients from eating food. Nutrition is the science of how the body uses food. It gives the body the energy it needs for everything it does, from repairing damaged cells to sleeping. The amount of energy a food can produce is measured in calories. The number of calories needed by people each day depends on how much energy their bodies use. For example, an athlete usually needs more calories than an adult who works at the desk all day. There are 5 main food groups that you should eat every day. By eating a variety of foods in each of these food groups, you will get the nutrition you need to grow and be healthy. Grains, dairy, fruits, vegetables, and protein. The United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, has come up with a picture of a plate to help us to make sure we get all the nutrients we need each meal. Each of the 5 food groups is drawn on the plate. Notice that the vegetables and grains portions are slightly larger than the fruit and protein portions. This gives you an idea of what foods you need to eat and how much of each. The USDA also gives other guidelines on how to eat healthier. A few that may help you. Drink skim milk or low-fat milk. Eat whole grains for your grains. One example is wheat bread instead of white bread. Drink water instead of sugary drinks. Food also provides the nutrients that the body needs to function and maintain itself. These nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water. Proteins are needed for the body tissue to grow and repair itself. Carbohydrates give the body most of the energy it needs. Starches and sugars are carbohydrates. Fiber is another kind of carbohydrate. Fats are sources of energy that the body can store. Fats contain more calories than any other nutrient. Minerals serve a variety of purposes. Calcium, for example, builds bones and teeth. And iron is needed to build red blood cells and carry oxygen from the lungs to other body cells. The body also needs vitamins. Vitamin C, for example, keeps gums healthy and helps the body absorb iron. Water is important in many chemical reactions in the body. In fact, every cell in the body must be bathed in water. Fun nutrition facts. Did you know that sugar doesn't cause cavities in the way you might think? You already know that sugar and candy aren't good for your teeth, but sugar by itself doesn't actually cause cavities. Your mouth always has good and bad bacteria in it. When you eat sugar or foods with sugar, certain types of bad bacteria begin to eat it. These bacteria produce acids that are what actually cause cavities to form. A cavity is a small hole in your tooth formed when the tooth enamel is damaged. The average American will eat around 12 pounds of chocolate in a year. Some foods are supposed to make you smarter, like red cabbage, egg yolks, tomatoes, berries, and walnuts. Thank you for watching this episode of Adventurous Kids.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous